morning, I'm Dubar. Today we have 4 brands like you can see in the video. 4 brands, 2 days. This is Regal Edit at Gallery 105 SBR. So if you want to see the collection, you need to swipe left. But don't miss it because every single brand has something really unique to offer. So come down and swipe left to see the collection.
My personal favorite, and trust me, I can't imagine ways to style it with my sari, dresses, or
Lovely.
any of the pieces where I want to stand out in the crowd.
Okay.
And we have this collectibles as well in silver.
Is this comb?
Yeah,
Amazing.
just see. It slides so nicely on my hair.
Lovely.
This can be gifted in wedding as well.
Okay.
Like we can put it in the wedding trousseau.
And there are pens. So a lot of antique stuff here. Very, very pretty. Then we have some really cool collection of rings.
Yeah.
We have solitaire. પછી અહીંયા પણ તમે જોઈ શકો છો. Very, very pretty. This entire section is under 2000. So you can do a budget friendly shopping here. Very beautiful, unique designs. Look at this.
These all are under 3000.
Awesome. So yes, do come down. She has some really cool collection. And remember, the brand name is Iraya. Arohi Gems and Jewelry is especially known for their malas collection. Look at this beautiful stall. આમાં એક પીસ તમને બતાવીશ તમને લાગશે this is such a beautiful design. Fusion માં તમારે ચાલી જાય. If you want something in stones તો એના options તમને મળી જશે.
These are on mother of pearl.
बहुत सुंदर.
These are shades of pearls. Some long beads mala. On Indo-Western office wear, minimal jewelry like these on chains and Italian chains.
Lovely.
These are some statement pieces. Some long malas. Some short ones.
Hey,
Very
so
good
pretty.
for gifting.
Yeah.
It all starts from 1500 onwards.
So yeah, it's a very beautifully set up stall. તમે એન્ટ્રી ત્યાંથી લેશો and you will find this brand here. એમની પાસે કિચન સેટ પણ છે, સ્પૂન સેટ્સ અવેલેબલ છે, ગિફ્ટિંગ માટેના આવા ઓપ્શન્સ તમને મળી જશે. Plus they have some really cool collection. Look at this. આમાં એક ડિઝાઇન તમે જોશો ને તમને ખૂબ મજા પડશે. This is all happening at Gallery 105 SBR. So do come down. You will enjoy the collection. A beautiful brand called Iraya. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. We have this amazing variety of silver, which is in rose gold as well. We have our bestseller tennis bracelet.
I love it. This is so delicate and love the collection. Check this out. This is all silver. Like a,
So from earrings, neck pieces, rings,
right.
we cover every category of jewelry right now.
Okay. Yes, this is very pretty. Women's Day is around. If you want to gift your loved one, then
These bracelets are under 2500.
okay. Love that. There are bracelets. I can see very beautiful earrings options. Check this
These
out.
ones are handcrafted.
Okay. This is also very pretty.
Yeah. So this one is our statement earring, and this is one of our bestseller.
Okay.
And then we have something like this, which is 2-in-1 earring. We have
Beautiful.
2 more options in pearls.
Awesome. The amazing jewelry that I'm wearing is from Arohi Gems and Jewelry, and look at that choker. I really love it. The earrings, even their kadas are very pretty. This is Arohi Gems and Jewelry, and they have some really cool collection of earrings. તમને જેવી જોઈતી હોય ફ્યુઝનમાં જોઈતી હોય એવા ઓપ્શન્સ તમને અહીંયા મળી જશે. They have some really cool options in kadas as well, like the one that I am wearing. બહુ જ સખત મજાની ડિઝાઇન છે. Some pieces like this. Look at this. પછી એમની પાસે ઇયરિંગ્સ માટેની બહુ જ ગજબની રેન્જ અવેલેબલ છે. ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ ટુ ટ્રાય સમથિંગ ઇન ફ્યુઝન તો એના ઓપ્શન્સ પણ તમને મળી જશે. થોડુંક તમારે હટકે કંઈક જોઈતું હોય સમથિંગ લાઈક ધીસ. The very pretty options you will get. Some jhumkas here. Look at this. કડાઝમાં એમની પાસે બહુ જ સુંદર ઓપ્શન્સ છે. Look at that. Little bit of fusion also available. So yes, a lot of options to choose from. Okay, મને આ યલો વાળો બી બતાવો ને આમ બહુ મસ્ત લાગે છે. Awesome. અને આપણી પ્રાઇસ રેન્જ સ્ટાર્ટ ક્યાંથી થાય છે?
Pricing starts from 2000 to 6000.
All right.
type of pure crepe shirts
Okay, lovely. Awesome.
for summer.
Scott sets for summers, lovely.
A bleak work dress.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This is also summer collection.
Okay. Even this one, Anu, કામ કયું છે? This is very unique.
This is French knotwork.
Okay.
पूरा हैंड वर्क है.
बहुत ही प्यारा.
Russian silk material में आएगा.
Okay.
This is in pure kota. Hand work is given.
Awesome. So yes, she has some range of collection. To check that out, do come down to Gallery 105. This is Ami's attire, and this is from where you'll enter. If you like what I am wearing, this is a crepe dress by Bohotique by Asia brand, and the jewelry that I'm wearing is by Arohi Gems and Jewelry. Now let me start with the first brand, Bohotique by Asia.
Hi, my brand name is Bohotique by Asia. So I have come up here again with my beautiful collection.
This is beautiful.
Then you can see what I'm wearing.
Lovely.
I have come up with new designs in chota pants with handwork. As you know, we are very much popular for catwork and handwork. So these are the prints which we customize it. Then we have got something like this.
This is very gorgeous. Can you hold this higher? बहुत सारो piece है. Check the outfit, the cuts of it, the design of it.
It
I
is
love
with
it.
pants.
Okay.
We can also make it as a one piece. The whole long maxi dress. We have got this handwork dresses.
Okay.
Then as summer is hitting up, we have come up with frocks, cotton frocks, and with the coats.
Look at that.
We can
Amazing.
customize it in your color, your material, your pattern.
Lovely.
So this is how we are making it.
Next brand is Ami's Attire, and they also have this range of festive, semi-festive collection. I love what you are wearing also, ma'am. Yes, so let's check your collection. કેટલું સુંદર કલર છે વાહ.
Set with pure handwork.
Mhm.
Pure Banaras material. This body work is given. This is perfect for your haldi function.
ઓકે
This is tissue shimmer handwork with palazzo.
ઓકે અને અહીંયા ટ્રાયલ રૂમ પણ છે, તમે ટેસ્ટ એન્ડ ટ્રાય પણ કરી શકો છો.
This is also with palazzo.
વાહ, મને ગ્રીન વાળું બતાવો, બહુ જ સુંદર લાગે છે.
This is pure Banaras Malchanderi with very beautiful handwork
Wow.
in neck and also in sleeve.
Lovely.
With pure Banarasi dupatta. This
Wow.
is kaftan in tissue. This is all applique work made handmade.
ભાઈ મને લાગે છે આ તમારી યુએસપી છે. વેરી નાઇસ.
Yeah. Thank you. This is crepe material dress.
Okay. So yes, they have range of three-piece suit sets like this.
Also, this is with sharara
Okay.
handwork.
Then they have some beautiful blouses as well. Check this. This is a beautiful. This is like a cord.
Cord
no?
set which we can pair it up with.
Can you turn it around?
Yes.
Look at this.
We can pair it up with plain shirts, on skirts, on plazo. Then these are
Okay.
the long cord set blouses which we can pair it up on again pants, plazos or shorts. Then we have come up with summer anarkalis. These are more cotton dresses with a little bit of handwork.
Awesome.
Then we have got this cotton kurta pants with handwork. You can see how beautiful we have carved the flowers and everything.
Awesome.
And then we have got beautiful range of frocks in cotton.
Yeah, so એમનું cotton collection પણ ગજબનું છે. Their summer collection.
Handworkનું થોડું pinch આપ્યું છે. You can
Lovely. And the best part is they have 30% off from this rack. So if you buy a ready-made dress, you will get 30% off. So do come down to Gallery 105 SBR.